Hi guys, so yeah, just a quick one today. Just a patch in Northwich, which is local to my area. As you can see, I'm quite sunburnt. Skin's a bit sore. Got caught out a bit. But yeah, I'll show you more when we get in there. I was going to say I've gone a bit overboard with the sheeting in here, but it's clearly a recent kitchen install and it's a white kitchen, so it's always worth going the extra mile to cover stuff up, especially for a patch where you're cutting into an old ceiling. So yeah, I'll just show you what it looks like. Plastic over the kitchen, as you can see, that's all taped up there, and this is what we're going to be cutting out for reboarding. Right, so the PVA's gone tacking now around the edge. So we're ready to go. So I'm just going to mix some gear up and then we'll get it patched. Right, so I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.